So Hare Krishna, today 12th of October 2020 and we are doing our Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya. Today we'll be completing chapter 11 of third canto Srimad Bhagavatam, of course by the mercy and blessing of Srila Prabhupada and all the Vaishnavas around, particularly our Gurujanas. So the calculation of time from atom will be completing today. Small slokas today, too. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narotamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudiraye Nashtaprayeshu Bhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavate Uttama Shloke Bhaktir Bhavati Nashtaki Dasotraधिकैर्यत्र प्रविष्टः परमाणुवत् लक्ष्यते अन्तर्गताश्चान्ये कोटिशो हि अण्डराशयः दश उत्तर अधिकैः with a 10 times greater thickness yatra in which pravishtaha entered parama anuvat like atoms lakshate it the mass of universe appears antaha gataha come together cha and ane in the others Kotishaha clustered. He for Andarasaya huge combination of universes. Translated the purport by Divine Grace Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada Maharaj ki jai. The layers or elements covering the universes are each 10 times thicker than the one before. And all the universes clustered together appear like atoms in a huge combination. Om Ajnana Timirandasya Jnananjana Salakaya Chakshmandamenam Tasmai Sri Guruve Namah Sri Chaitanya Manovishtama Sthapitamena Bhutale Swayam Rupakadamayam Dadati Supatantikam Pandeham Sri Guru Shritapata Kamalam Sri Gurun Vaishnavam Cha Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Sagana Raghunathan Vidantam Sajivam Sadhuetam Savadutam Prajana Saitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sagana Lalita Sri Vishakhan Vitam Cha He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deenabandhu Jagatapate Gopesa Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namastute Tapti Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Prashavanushude Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Vangsha Kalpataru Vaishya Kripa Sindhu Vayevacha Patita Nama Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Nama Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Namaha Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Pishtaya Bhutale Sri Mate Jayapataka Swamini Dinamine Namaha Acharya Padaya Nitaya Kripa Pardayane Gaurakatha Damadaya Nagargramatarane Namaha Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Sri Mate Bhaktivedanta Swami Dinamine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharane Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Pashyat Deshatarane Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Dasottara adhikairyatra pravishtaha paramanuvat lakshate antah gatashane kotisho hi and rashasayah. Now, culmination of atom and time. So, Vidura being informed today, the layers or elements covering the universes are each 10 times thicker than the one before. And all the universes clustered together appears like atoms in a huge combination. Let us see what Prabhupada has to say on this. His purport. The coverings of the universes are also constituted of the elements of each earth, water, fire, air and ether, and each is 10 times thicker than the one before. The first covering of the universe is earth, and it is 10 times thicker than the universe itself. If the universe is 4 billion miles in size, then the size of the earthly covering of the universe is 4 billion times 10. The covering of water is 10 times greater than the earthly covering, and the covering of the fire is 10 times greater than the watery covering, and the covering of the air is 10 times greater than that of fire, and the covering of the ether is 10 times greater still than that of the air, and so on. The universe within the coverings of matter appears to be like an atom in comparison to the covering, and the number of universes is unknown even to those who can estimate the coverings of the universe. So, beautiful, isn't it? Mind-boggling. Now, we have seen earth, we have seen water, we have seen fire, we have seen air, and we have seen sky. And Srimad Bhagavatam is telling each element is 10 times greater. You won't believe, isn't it? Because we can see the earth. How the water can be 10 times greater than the earth? Or then 10 times of that is fire, and 10 times of the fire is air, and 10 times of the air. Isn't it mind-boggling? But here we are not talking the physical. What we are talking about, the spiritual. The water is 10 times greater than that of the earth. Very simple. It's not that I have not seen, you have not seen. I don't believe it, you don't believe it. We shrug our shoulders, just like that. No, 10 times. So, the water is more powerful than the earth. And if the fire is 10 times of the water, again, it means the fire is more powerful than the water. And if air is 10 times of the fire, it means fire is, the air is more powerful than the fire, and then the sky. So how many tenses happen? Earth, water, fire, air and ether. And they are 10 times in the volume. Of course, unseen to our naked eyes, but it is amazing. Once there was a scientific research. The people, they have from the telescope, they have zoomed in the sky. Zooming in, layer by layer, 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 and they found one picture. Ultimate picture. They framed that picture. that was zoom in. Then they have taken one leaf and they put the leaf in front of the telescope. They start zooming out and zooming out and zooming out and so many times. And they again found a picture. They framed the picture. Now they know what happened. When they are trying the two picture which they have taken with the zoom out, a zoom in and zoom out, those pictures were identical, similar. That is artistic of our dear Krishna. Very difficult. Mataji will understand my example. If you have to make the potato vegetable, if you peel it out, you see the thickness of that peel is different. Then you boil the potato and take the skin off it. Great difference, isn't it? In comparison to how many times we don't know. Or you can see the thickness of a mango covering and the thickness of banana covering. Entirely different. Even the leaves of the same tree, if you try to measure them, they have the different dimension, different thickness. Amazing. Look at our skin, right? The skin you have over the body, or let us take a hand, the skin of your back of the hand and the skin of the palm is entirely different. The skin of your lips and the skin of your tongue is entirely different. The skin of your ear and the skin inside your nose is entirely different. The skin of our eyelid outside and eyelid inside is entirely different. The skin that we walk and the skin that we sit is entirely different than the other part of the body. So meticulous the Lord has so designed. Nobody has or may have paid attention, right? But as far as the Srimad Bhagavatam saying, all these Panch Mahabhuta, they are 10 times greater than the previous one in power. And that's the reason when annihilation takes place, the earth dissolves in water. Water dissolves in fire. Fire dissolves in air. Air dissolves in sky or ether. And then that becomes one anu, a small particle. Amazing, isn't it? And then it goes in pradhana or mahatattva. And that mahatattva then reside in the body of Mahavishnu for the next exhalation of the breath. And then it goes on and on and on and on and on and on. I remember one day, forgetting the name of the Maharaj, Tamal Krishna Goswami in America was shouting at one of the new devotee, literally shouting, teaching him how to behave, what to do. Prabhupada happened to hear. Prabhupada didn't say anything. But as soon as both of them they saw and other people were there, they offered their obeisances to Prabhupada. Prabhupada smiled. And Prabhupada said, you know this Brahmand? In this Brahmand there are many, many planets. Many, many planets. And even our planets, Jambudvipa. Jambudvipa also has many khandas. In that khanda there is a Bharat Varsha, the Bharat Bhumi, the complete Bharat Bhumi. Bharat Bhumi has, this khanda has 7 continents. In one of the continent, you know what? There is America. And in America there are many, many cities. And there is one city, there is, I think it's New York. There is a New York or maybe San Francisco. I'm just missing the point. And then in that particular place, there are many of the buildings and houses. And see, among those houses, there is one house that we have got. And within the house, there is Tamal Krishna Goswami. He is saying, I am something. Listen to me. And there was a pin drop silence. Prabhupada was very humorous. He taught them. We try to educate people. We try to boss over with our wives and children or colleagues, boss over so many things. Kartaham iti manyate. This is the biggest problem of life. That we think we are the door. And how can I be wrong? Just tell me, Prabhu. My age is more than 50. I have seen 50 summers and 50 winters and 50 Dasaras and 50 Deepawalis and 50 Christmas. How can I be wrong with so much of experience? And therefore, whatever I say, it's a Bhishma Pratigya or Bhishma Vachan. I say that must happen. And you know what? People do listen from the one year, taking out from another year. And they say, they say, oh, we are hearing this kind of things from so many people, so many years. See, we have not seen Diwali's what? We have not seen the summer and winter what? Who is this? But anyway, he is a senior position. I am subordinate to him, so let it be. So, these elements, the Pancha Mahabhuta are so great in their power. And what do we think? I don't care. I don't care, Prabhu. Now see, anybody who does not care, he in the end becomes careless or careful. Full of cares. Those who don't care, they become full of cares. And that is the human life. Amazing, isn't it? So, Prabhupada is saying, nobody can estimate that unknown, not to be seen. Everything we don't see, right? Everybody is afraid of Corona. Anybody seen Corona? Even the picture is being floating around. How do you know that the picture of Corona? So small, cannot be captured. But then, because somebody is saying Corona is like this, we are believing Corona is like this. The Corona has not developed into the full-fledged body of 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 grams. So that we can believe. This is Corona, we can believe. But these coverings are 10 times greater than, how do I know, Prabhu? But believe in Srila Prabhupada. They are very, very powerful. And look at our covering. It is a 4 billion mile, right? And our covering is 6.5 feet. That's it. Maximum 7 feet. Nothing more than that, right? And still we think, yeah, Prabhu. I don't know how many of you have seen my yesterday's video. I was caught unaware. I was not even dressing properly. And Prabhu says, Prabhuji, all people are here. Can you talk? And he has not given me a subject matter. He said, just talk. And I started talking. So sometime you have to prepare for the eventualities. As we are preparing for the class, why I am giving this example? Similarly, we have to prepare for the end of the time. What time? We don't know. So let us always be prepared. If there's a call comes, we are ready to execute our service with full heart and soul. The last text, 42. Tada ahuraksharam brahma sarva karana karanam Vishnur dhama param shakshat Purushasya Mahatmanah. Tata, that Ahuhu is said. Aksharam, infallible. Brahma, the supreme. Sarva Karana, all causes. Karanam, the supreme cause. Vishnu Dhama, the spiritual abode of Vishnu. Param, the supreme. Sakshat, without doubt. Purushasya, of the Purusha incarnation. Mahatmanaha, of the Mahavishnu. Translated the purport by His divine grace, Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. The Supreme Personality of Godhead, Sri Krishna, is therefore said to be the original cause of all causes. Thus, the spiritual abode of Vishnu is eternal without a doubt, and it is also the abode of Mahavishnu, the origin of all manifestation. Iti Chamsakala Punsa. Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam. Indrari Vyakulam Loke Mridayante Yuge Yuge. Krishna is avatar, and all are avatar. No, avatari. Krishna is avatari, all are other avatar. Ekela Krishna are sabhritya. No, Ekela Ishvara Krishna are sabhritya. We have talked a lot about it. Let's say the purport of Srila Prabhupada. Lord Mahavishnu, who is resting in Yoga Nidra on the casual ocean and creating innumerable universes by his breathing processes, only temporarily appears in Mahatattva for the temporary manifestation of the material worlds. He is a planetary portion of Lord Sri Krishna, and thus, although he is non-different from Lord Krishna, his formal appearance in the material world is an incarnation in temporary. The original form of the person of Godhead is actually the Swarupa, or the real form, and he eternally resides in the Vaikuntha world, Vaikuntha Loka, Vishnu Loka. The word Mahatmana is used here to indicate Mahavishnu, and his real manifestation is Lord Krishna, who is also Parama, is confirmed in the Brahma Samhita. Ishvaraha Paramaha Krishna, Sachit Ananda Vigraha, Anadir Adir Govinda Sarvakarana Karanam. The Supreme Lord Sri Krishna is the original personality of Godhead known as Govinda. His form is eternal, full of bliss and knowledge, and he is the original cause of all causes. Thus end the Bhaktivedanta purport of the third canto, 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavatam, entitled Calculation of Time from the Atom. So that ends the chapter 11. Very, very informative. Maybe those in future who will take the research and PhD is going to give them a lot of information. So with this then, I'll come to the conclusion of my talk. Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to be with you to recite Srimad Bhagavatam.